Well, I don't know when this fucking thing stopped recording, but here we are with a pretty much done sub. God damn it, that's irritating. So, well, anyway, I'll explain what I did the best I can. So, let's see. So I started the day with soldering the spider leads to the coil leads. I did that off camera anyway because it's just boring. Who cares? They are aluminum leads, so to solder copper to aluminum is a big old pain in the ass. Basically, you need to rough up the aluminum, but you have to do it under some sort of fluid so that air can't get to the aluminum, because as soon as you scratch the aluminum and air gets to it, it starts to oxidize. That oxidation does not allow solder to stick. So scratch through the oxidation under, like I used vegetable oil. Scratch through the oxidation, solder it, then solder those leads to the spider leads. Then I glued the spider in place. Then glued the spider leads to the push terminal leads. Yeah. Then I notched the coil so that the coil leads could fit through and up. They stick up just a little bit. Notched those. Then glued the cone to the former. Then you see all this glue right here is about a bunch of glue in there, heavy duty. Then we glued the surround to the frame, and now I have it sitting here with clamps. Big clamps right here, because I'm missing a few screws. Now when I got this thing, some of the screws were already gone and or stripped. So I have 3 in there right now. I'll go get some more from Ace Hardware tomorrow. But we're gonna wait for the glue to dry on the surround, and then we'll worry about the dust cap, and then it'll be all done. I do plan on putting this sub, as well as its matching brother over there, in a big old box, ported. Gonna try and get windy. Not going in my car. My car's too damn small. But it'll probably end up in an SUV or, if I'm lucky, maybe a Crown Vic. That'd be real fun. That thing will shake like crazy. So we're gonna work on the box after we get all of this done. I'll wait for this glue to dry a little bit on the surround, and then we'll get the dust cap on with my logo. All right, so this is voiceover, Cappy Pappy right now. Yeah, I ran out of storage on my phone like a dummy. I did not take the files off of the phone so I make more room. I bought a SD card to make up for that in the future, just to avoid this issue going forward. But just to explain what I did during the time that everything quit working, and after the end of the video that you just saw, I have my vinyl sticker on the dust cap, and I just took the time to glue the dust cap in place. Obviously, put some adhesive on the dust cap, put it down, made a tape handle, twisted it to spread the glue around, put a weight on it to let it dry. But that's really the end of the video. I do plan on using these subs in a build in a Crown Victoria. I have rough measurements of the trunk, and I think I can make just enough airspace for these subs to really perform. I'll go with a pretty substantial port, something with a little bit higher air velocity, just to get a little windy. There may be some chuffing, but I think the trade-off there, just to be more windy in the cab, is going to be it's going to be a nice trade-off. So and we're going to get working on that box once the weather in Texas here cools down. It's been over 100 this past week, and for the next couple of weeks. So it'll probably be September before I start on that box, because it's just too damn hot. Maybe I'll make a video on that, but it's going to be a good couple of subs in this box. Powered by, I don't know, I think I'm going to go with a Dark Audio Industries 3K, maybe 4K, just to have a little bit of overhead. This thing's going to be good. These 2 subs, lots of surface area, lots of X-Max, big port, gonna get real windy. So apologies guys for just the poor quality video on this one. My phone just ran out of space. My other phone that I use for recording, it just ran out of space, and I wasn't paying close enough attention, so lost a lot of footage there, but it is what it is. Keep an eye out for future videos. For now, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. All right, take her easy.